Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro, X, and CHK on the daily weekly time frame. So the Twitter bulls got their bullish reversal candlestick on Friday. The low was 2012. We now have to see confirmation of this candlestick with another green day, and we need to see the hourly time frame forming higher lows and higher highs to let us know that we have shifted after forming lower highs and lower lows for the past 4 or 5 days. So we're right around the middle Bollinger Band, battling to hold that level. The weekly time frame is a big red candlestick, but it's up to the bulls now to maintain that higher low support and try and make their way back into the $21 range for some recovery. So we are looking good on the overall chart. Higher lows and higher highs maintained. Last consolidation period we had lasted 6 days before the bulls showed up. This consolidation has been 5 days. So let's see if we can get some market follow through for the bulls and a move up with 2098 and 2112, the first two resistances the bulls will need to encounter. GoPro still not doing anything. Support is 837, resistance is 878. Stagnant money this point, trading sideways 7 days in a row within that channel. Still waiting patiently for a break. The bears have the upper hand overall until the bulls prove themselves. Exponential weekly resistance rejecting the price, a potential bear flag on the weekly time frame, unless the bulls can show up and break 877 and start to see 877 and 878 is a double top right now, but they have to break those levels to start to see a move back towards $9 to try and change this momentum from bearish to bullish. X on the daily time frame, all bulls. Huge day on Friday, but that upper Bollinger Band for the 3rd day in a row is rejecting the price. So we did see significant profit taking from that high, but the bulls are proving further that they are in control by hitting higher highs. Getting over 29.48 was the bull signal. Weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band resistance rejecting the price, as well as the daily upper Bollinger Band. We've rejected from this weekly level now 5 times in the last 8 weeks, 7 weeks. So clearly we need to be watching these upper Bollinger Bands, but the bulls have a nice channel of middle Bollinger Band support, upper Bollinger Band resistance, and they remain in control. CHK, yet another day, inside bar, but an upper wick, rejecting from the 100-day resistance, the upper Bollinger Band resistance, the weekly middle Bollinger Band. We closed right above it by 1 penny. We have to see follow-through. That's not convincing enough. We have our low of the week, 341, low of the weekly chart. Higher low is now 377, and the bulls have to break 427 to see a higher low and a higher high and a shift in that trend in their favor. After 427 is 449, and then the bulls will really get the party going if they can break those levels. We are getting signs that the bulls are showing up, but there's a little bit too much resistance right here in the upper 420s at this point to be comfortable. The bulls have to see strong closes above these moving average resistances and some follow through to give the bulls confidence that this trend is indeed changing on the longer term time frame. So that's what we're looking at as we head into this coming week. Market had all kinds of volatility on Friday. The bulls bought the dip as always. We're watching to see if the bulls follow through on Monday and see some nice upside and some further green to confirm that the bulls are truly back in full control. And some of these names will definitely be affected by whether we see that or not. Twitter and X are the strongest names on this screen, and GoPro and CHK still have proving to do for the bulls. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on Monday.